Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI chatbots and how you can earn a whopping $5,000 per month. And guess what? You don't need any coding skills. We'll be using ChatSimple as our go-to tool. Let's jump right in. Step 1. AI bot creation. First things first, let's create our bot. Head over to chatsimple.ai and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on Create a Chatbot. You'll be prompted to add a link. This could be a link to your website or any other platform. Enter website link, enter business name, select agent name, select color, and other details. Once done, hit Fetch. And voila, your basic chatbot is ready. Step 2, testing. Now, let's test our bot. Think of questions related to the website you linked. This helps in understanding how well your bot responds. Add multiple questions to ensure comprehensive answers. Perfect. Our bot is now well-versed with the website content. Step 3, appearance. Let's give our bot a personal touch. You can upload custom images, make sure they're in PNG or JPEG format. Change the bot's name if you wish. Play around with color patterns to match your brand. Time to monetizing your chatbot. Now, if you're looking to monetize this skill, here are some platforms where you can offer chatbot creation services. X, Twitter, great for quick gigs and networking. LinkedIn Jobs, for more professional and long-term contracts. Upwork and Fiverr, popular freelancing platforms with a vast audience. By offering your services on these platforms and delivering quality work, achieving a monthly income of over $5K is very much possible. Whether you're looking to boost your business revenue or offer chatbot services, mastering ChatSimple is your ticket to success. So why wait? Dive in and start today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. Until next time.